The winds were crazy this week. As we did our morning walk, we noticed our bunch of bananas in trouble. It was top heavy and leaning in a 45-degree angle. We have to secure it now or lose the whole bunch. Our winds and rain has made our soil unstable. As the banana plants grow, the yellow strap needs to be moved higher above to the new tipping point so the heavy bunch does not fall over. As you can see, the plant is slowly moving from the wind. Temporary white straps need to be put in while yellow strap is being adjusted.
If you want to see the exact steps we took to get the bananas bunch large, I'll leave a link below of our banana secret video.
As I'm adjusting the yellow strap and doing this myself, I needed some help to lift the plant up, so I used the lifting hoist as a pulley system. These are the tools I used: lifting hoist, straps, and carabiners. Here you see me adjusting everything.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see future videos. Let us know in the comments what you're growing in your garden and what you would like to see in our future videos.
Okay, it's secure. That was close. We're expecting more wind throughout the week. At least the bananas are safe.
It took my husband about 2 hours to secure up the banana plant, and within 2 days we found this. Now it's time to harvest and re-secure the banana plants again. Oh no, what is he doing? Oh yes, I think he's digging up some keikis. My husband and I work in the garden a lot together, but now he's even helping me with the videos and realize how hard it is. Mahalo for watching our video. See you next time.